Hey folks, Ben here with Media Agility, a Google Premier partner. In this video, I'm going to be walking through a decision tree to help you transition to Google Workspace from your G Suite licenses that are now being retired in November of 2021. If you have questions about that statement, if that is news to you, please check out my other videos that explain the transition in a little bit more detail. For this video, we're going to be talking about how to get you to the right licenses through this transition. I should also mention that this decision tree is made to simplify that decision-making process. If you want to see the line-by-line features that you can really determine on a granular level what license is best for you, and if there are any third-party, kind of consolidation opportunities, check out the data sheet linked below. That's going to provide a feature by feature comparison for all 5 of the new SKUs in Google Workspace. But without further ado, let's jump into this decision matrix. So the first question that you really need to ask yourself is how important are features such as data loss prevention, context-aware access, advanced mobile device management and endpoint management, and unlimited storage? Are those a priority? If so, you're going to automatically be looking at enterprise licenses. That's a $20 and a $30 license potentially. Uh, is having the most advanced security, the most comprehensive security suite, a priority? In this day and age, for many folks, they're finding it worthwhile because they're also able to consolidate other third parties such as, Proofpoint because of Enterprise Plus's built-in malware protection. Is workflow automation, having connected sheets, are those a priority as well? If so, Enterprise Plus is the SKU for you. If not, Enterprise Standard will likely do the job. Now, if security is not a priority for you right now, uh, then ultimately the question comes down to, do you have 300 or more users? If you have 300 or more users, by default, you're going to be looking at an enterprise SKU, either enterprise standard or enterprise plus. If you do not, then it comes down to this question: do you have Google Vault and or archive user licenses to right size your licensing? If that is a yes, then you will be looking at Business Plus, an $18 license. Again, we're talking list prices here. If you do not use either of these two, then the question comes down to the amount of storage that you like. Do you need shared drives, and is Meet recording a priority for you? If shared drives, Meet recording, and drive storage above 30 gigabytes per user is a priority, then you're looking at business standard licenses. Again, a $12 SKU. If you really just need the most basic licensing possible, then we can take a look at the business starter licenses. Again, I really simplified this for your benefit. If you want to take a look at those features, download that data sheet below. And also, as I mentioned, the prices here, all of those are going to be relative. If you want to learn about up-to-date pricing as well as promotions specifically to help organizations like yours through this transition, reach out to this email here, workspacesales@mediaagility.com, and we would be happy to discuss some of the current discounts that you may be eligible for to help make this transition smoother. If you have other questions about the transition, be sure to view my other videos in this playlist. Otherwise, I wish you all the best through this transition. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.